What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, I try to make my bed every day.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I usually brush my teeth.
Do you prefer a shower in the morning or at night?
I prefer a shower in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
I try to eat breakfast every day.
What do you typically have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal or toast.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus to school.
What time do you leave for school?
I leave for school around 8 a.m.
Do you carry a lunchbox to school?
Yes, I often carry a lunchbox.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you do your homework right after school?
I try to do my homework as soon as I get home.
Do you like studying alone or with friends?
I prefer studying with friends.
How much time do you spend on homework each day?
I spend about 1 to 2 hours on homework.
What is your least favorite subject?
I'm not a big fan of history.
Do you enjoy science experiments?
I find science experiments really fun.
16. Do you have a study schedule?
I try to stick to a study schedule.
Do you use a planner for school?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
What do you do if you don't understand a lesson?
I ask the teacher for help.
How do you prepare for exams?
I make a study plan and review my notes.
Do you ever study in the library?
Sometimes, especially when I need a quiet place.
What do you do after school?
I usually play cricket with my friends.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy drawing and playing the guitar.
How often do you play sports?
I play sports a few times a week.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is swimming.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What genre of books do you like?
I enjoy reading adventure and mystery books.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
What type of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 7 p.m.
Do you help with cooking at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making sandwiches.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes, I watch TV in the evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you play board games with your family?
Yes, we sometimes play board games together.
Do you prefer to relax with a book or a movie?
I prefer to relax with a book.
Do you go out in the evening?
Sometimes, I go out with friends in the evening.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I often read before going to sleep.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What's your favorite food?
I love eating sandwiches.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Do you like brownies?
Yes, I like brownies.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Have you ever been camping?
I have been camping.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Have you ever been on a plane?
I have been on a plane.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I find hiking refreshing.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I dream of vacationing in Hawaii.
Do you like visiting the zoo?
I enjoy visiting the zoo.
Have you seen snow?
Yes, I have seen snow.
Do you enjoy fishing?
I have been fishing.
Have you ever flown a kite?
Yes, I have flown a kite.
Do you like amusement parks?
I enjoy amusement parks.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I enjoy playing cricket.
Have you tried skateboarding?
I enjoy skateboarding.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim.
Have you ever played volleyball?
I have played volleyball.
Do you like playing tennis?
I have played tennis.
Do you play basketball?
Sometimes, I play basketball.
Have you tried ice skating?
I have tried ice skating.
Do you enjoy roller skating?
Yes, I enjoy roller skating.
Have you played baseball?
I have played baseball.
Do you sometimes play badminton?
I occasionally play badminton.
Do you enjoy watching cartoons?
Occasionally, I watch cartoons.
Do you like superheroes?
Yes, I like superheroes.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
Do you find the rain relaxing?
I find the rain relaxing.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy puzzles.
Do you like cloud watching?
I enjoy cloud watching.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrots.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer.
Are you a night owl or an early bird?
I consider myself a night owl.
Do you like magic tricks?
Yes, I like magic tricks.
Do you wish to play the piano?
I wish to play the piano.
What's your lucky number?
My lucky number is 8.
Do you enjoy drawing?
Yes, I love drawing.
Do you like exploring new places?
I like exploring new places.
Do you enjoy photography?
I enjoy photography.
Have you seen a dolphin?
I have seen a dolphin.